Stitchery. So my coffee has just kicked in. I thought it's a great time to do a video. The other day, I showed you how to make this pretty glittery 3D butterfly page. I have the video on this up here if you want to click that and check it out. And I had promised I would show you how to make the butterflies themselves. This is an idea I saw on Pinterest a while back, and it was one of those like duh moments where you see it and it's so easy you can't believe you didn't think of it yourself. But then I didn't try it for like a year and a half. So here I am. This is my first attempt and I love it. So let me show you how easy it is. I used my paper lace Cricut cartridge. This is a newer one for me and I love it because it has a lot of really cool designs that are, I guess, paper lace inspired. I actually got this with scrapbook layouts in mind because I kind of like the idea of having these intricate open backgrounds. Cute, right? So this is the butterfly. It's kind of monarch looking, and I cut out a couple different sizes. Let me see. I can let you know what sizes these are. This one is 2 inches, and this little one, oh, 1.25 inches. Okay, just to give you an idea of like what the size looks like. And then all you need is some shipping tape. And what you're gonna do, oh, and your favorite glitter, which is great because I buy glitter every time I have a coupon, and I walk by the aisle thinking, I don't really use glitter that much. Why would I buy more? And then the packages are so sparkly, and they're wrapped in plastic, which is also shiny, and I can't resist. It's like a kitty with tinfoil. So I have a lot of glitter, and I'm always excited to find crafts that let me actually use them. So for this project, you're just gonna take some tape, and you're gonna put it sticky side up on the back of your shape. Again, it doesn't have to be a butterfly. You could do flowers, anything that gives you like a nice open window for the glitter. And you're just gonna put it onto the back like so. You could probably already see where this is going. Take your scissors. I am a terrible crafter in that I use the same scissors for everything, which I know I see meme after meme about don't touch my fabric scissors. Well, I just figure eventually I'll just buy new ones. So I use them for everything because they're handy. Although I have found in making the dozens or so of butterflies I've made this week, that sticky residue does kind of build up, and I use these scissors a lot. So I'm kind of hoping you might have some tips on how to get that residue off of scissors. I see now why people have different like sticker scissors, paper scissors. Yeah, you'll pay for that eventually, but what I'm doing here is just cutting along the butterfly shape because I don't want the tape obviously everywhere. I just want it behind the wings. So you can get really as close to the wings as you like. Here's my, it doesn't have to be super perfect. So happy for clear tape. Yay, it's very forgiving. Okay, and I try not to touch the interior tape too much because I do still want it to be fairly sticky for the glitter. But, you know, I'm also not super coordinated, so. Okay, so there's that, and then I'm just gonna cut this little middle piece. This is the part of the project that kind of took the most time. I sat with a pile of them, like on the couch with all the kids running around, I don't know, throwing stuffed animals at each other, and I just made a bunch. Okay, so once you have your butterfly tape trimmed, let me trim this one a little bit better. You're just gonna lay it back down, and here's where you can get creative. I chose a couple different like golds and coppers because I was thinking like monarch colors. I also wanted these up here to be white, so I'm gonna do this tiny piece first, and I just kind of tried to sprinkle it in the sections I want it and kind of pat it down so it gets onto the tape. And then just kind of do this thing. Then go with your next layer, and I just dump it right on there. Okay, just kind of, this nice that it has a pretty thick border. So it was fairly simple to not get it into all the sections with just a little bit of time. Okay. And then I'm going to do my last section here. And what I did for all of these, I'm showing you one, but when I was doing a bunch at a time, I just had like a little pile of each color glitter and just kind of scooped it onto it, because that just seemed to be a little bit easier than doing this little shaking maneuver on individual pieces. Okay, and then just put the gold in there. Oh, there's my dog. Don't mind him. He's not actually scary or ferocious. Okay, and then you could take a little brush if you want and get all the glitter off the black, but it just kind of works itself off there. And there's your butterfly. How cute, how easy, seriously, with a dog. Okay, so let me show you. If you don't like this kind of color palette, or you didn't want to do like a monarch, it's fine. You don't have to. Here's another card I made. This is actually, both of these are from this same Cricut cartridge. This background here, and then I just put some Distress Oxide on there just so it stands out a little bit with the color. And then this Just Because with the butterflies is 1 sentiment. And I did the same thing, put the tape behind each of these butterflies, and then I did purple and pink in each of the little wing panels. See that? Cute, right? I like it. I like that there's so many options here with this kind of technique. And again, it doesn't have to be limited to butterflies. Any design that gives you a lot of space. I had also looked at, although I hadn't got to it, let me just show you one other thing. Let me show you. Where was the other one I was looking at? Well, now I can't. Oh, like something like this. Again, a little bit of patience. But if you cut out this like medallion, you could do like a really cool stained glass effect with just a little bit of tape. Who knew, right? It's not just for boxes anymore, friends. So let me know what you think. Leave me a comment and let me know your favorite brand of glitter. I'm kind of partial to the Martha Stewart, but I do buy them in all their forms. I don't even know what this is, but anything that's fine glitter seems to work better with this tape. I have had another person on my Facebook page mention they tried this and the glitter didn't stick that well. So I'm wondering if maybe she used like a chunkier glitter. Again, it's just packing tape. It's not like, you know, I wouldn't trust this like on a NASA ship to hold it together. It's only so tacky, but the fine glitter works great. So please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, check out the other videos, leave me a comment, check it out and try it out. Let's make some stuff. Bye.